What was Jewish about your home growing up?
Well, we spoke Yiddish, first of all, and my father always made Wednesday night was the night where no television, nothing else. We would read books together, we would do things in Yiddish. And my parents never got babysitters, so we were taken with them. We would go to the Workman Circle was our family, was our home. We all met there. We went to school, afternoon school, which I wasn't happy about going because I wanted to play. I didn't give my parents, like my mother said, I didn't give them honig to lek. I didn't give them an easy time. I rebelled a lot, but I changed after a while. So we went to the Yiddish theater, we went to Yiddish concerts, we would go to the Workman Circle, we would celebrate birthdays, and our life was at the Workman Circle. So it was good. Our childhood was very good. We had a good childhood, and but not religious. I was the only one in the family who on Yom Kippur I fasted. I've always fasted, I still do. And always went to hear shofar blows. My parents were appalled. I was the one that started that we should light candles in the house. And my mother said, if you want, that's fine. She never stopped us from doing what we wanted to do, but she wouldn't do it. My mother would not say the bracha, but if we wanted to, that was fine. Passover, I've always kept Passover. And I just, somehow to me, that made me feel that I was Jewish with everyone else, not different. You know, because being in a socialist home is that sometimes you were different from the other children.